If Photopea is showing a RAM error, freezing, or running out of memory while you're editing a big PSD, don't worry, there are a few fast fixes that can help you get back to work without losing your project. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to reduce memory usage, recover performance, and keep your files safe while you troubleshoot. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and editing tips. First, before you change anything else, save a local backup of your work right away. This is the most important step because you never want to troubleshoot memory issues without protecting your file first. On Mac, press Command and S, and on Windows, press Ctrl and S. Then export or save your project as a PSD directly to your computer. That way, if Photopea needs to refresh or you need to reopen the file later, your work is already preserved. Now that your file is safely saved, the next step is to purge the undo buffer by reloading the tab. Photopea keeps a long history of your edits in active memory, and over time, that history can build up and increase RAM usage. Once your PSD is saved, refresh the page by pressing Command and R on Mac, or Ctrl and R on Windows. This clears the browser session memory tied to that open tab. After the reload, open your saved PSD again. This gives Photopea a fresh start and often removes a lot of the memory pressure that causes the RAM error in the first place. If your file is still heavy, the next thing to do is trim the document memory overhead. Start by checking your canvas size. Go to Image, then choose Image Size, and look at the pixel dimensions and resolution. If the file is larger than you really need, reducing the canvas dimensions or adjusting DPI can make a big difference. Large, high-resolution documents can eat up memory very quickly, especially when you have many layers and effects. Another great way to reduce strain is to rasterize any heavy smart objects that no longer need to stay editable. In the Layers panel, right-click the smart object and choose Rasterize. This can help because some embedded objects are more demanding on memory than regular pixel layers. You should only do this when you're sure you no longer need the original editable smart object properties, because rasterizing is a permanent change. But for performance troubleshooting, it can be a very effective fix. You can also merge finished layers or flatten parts of the design that you no longer need to edit separately. If you already completed certain sections of the project, merging those layers can reduce the number of active objects Photopea has to keep in memory. If the file is very complex, flattening unused elements can free up even more resources. Just remember to keep a backup PSD first, so you still have a fully editable version saved in case you need to go back later. Next, close any resource-heavy background tabs in your browser. This part gets overlooked a lot, but browsers share memory across all open tabs and processes. If you have video sites, web apps, design tools, or other heavy pages running in the background, they can eat into the memory Photopea needs. On Chrome, Edge, or Brave, press Shift and Escape to open the browser task manager. Then sort by memory usage and close anything that is using a lot of resources. Freeing up browser memory can instantly improve Photopea's stability. If you're still working on a massive file, especially something with ultra-high resolution or large print dimensions, the browser you use can matter too. Chromium-based browsers like Chrome, Edge, and Brave can run into stricter memory allocation limits for large WebAssembly tasks. If that's happening, try opening photopea.com in Firefox instead. Firefox handles large memory heaps differently, and for some oversized projects, it can be much more stable. This simple switch can solve RAM errors that keep coming back in other browsers. So, to recap, the best way to handle a Photopea RAM error is to save a local PSD backup, reload the tab to clear memory history, reduce document size and layer complexity, close heavy browser tabs, and if needed, switch to Firefox for better large file handling. Most of the time, one or two of these steps is enough to get Photopea working smoothly again. If this video helped you fix your Photopea RAM issue, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more practical software tutorials. And if you want, check out the next video for more editing and performance tips that can save you time and frustration.